Sabadi Pome Pinong. I'm your host Harris Pianabong, and you are now watching Cooking with Mr. International, where I help introduce Lao food to America one person at a time. Gang Pit Mandeng Kai, Bamboo Chicken Red Curry Yummy, Gung Toi Lang, Louisiana Crawfish. This is for my seafood lovers, so buttery, so juicy. Nam Khao, crispy fried rice. This is so perfect for a gathering. Pair up with some veggies, it's a match made in heaven. Here comes another fan favorite, Thom Khem. It is so freaking amazing and a comfort food in my culture. Sweet pork. Mother, ma kin keng Nor Mai nam kan de. This is a bamboo soup. Can someone pass me my sticky rice, my khao niêu? Because I'm hungry. Now on to our national dish, Hoong. Hoong is papaya. It is crunchy, it is savory, it is spicy. This dish will drive you wild. Tua. Another one of my favorite is Gelot. Carrots is so sweet by nature. Pair it up with cherry tomatoes is a match made in heaven. What am I thumbing next? That's right, Dang. The cucumber just soaks the papaya juice so well and is so crunchy. Who wants some Dang? Alright, who's ready for some Khao Poon? Khao Poon is a curry, vermicelli, bamboo chicken noodle soup. Okay, let's eat, guys. First bite of chicken. Yummy. Oh my goodness, who don't love chicken? Let's take another bite. So freaking good. Come eat, guys. I have my Jeow Het here. Little platter. It's a roasted mushroom dipping sauce. My sticky rice. Who wants some sticky rice? Khao niêu. Guess what I'm making now, guys? That's right, alt scene. It is a beef herbs on herb stew. It's raining outside, it is cold. This calls for Khao Piak Sen. So yummy. Well, thank you so much, guys, for tuning in once again. This is season 1 and a little bit of season 2. I'm your host, Harris Pianabong, and this is Cooking with Mr. International.